Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of going out. On the application of Teams, you will click on settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can search about Teams app and you will enter. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors. You can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.